Okay, here. Okay, screw. Where's this screw? Are we missing it?
Put it here.
Oh, this is where it goes.
Okay, great.
Okay, now I put it back. Maybe wash it a bit. Okay, well, I'll wash this a bit.
No, can you remove the trash? Let's finish. Yeah.
So,
No, use your hand. Use two.
it doesn't work. How does this work? You're holding it on the wrong. You're
No.
Okay.
Put it here.
Okay. How long is this going to take?
Forever.
Okay. This.
Check. Oh, do more. Maybe need to try.
Yeah, I'm just gonna clean this and be done with it. We already hit this step. Emma, you're breaking it. Well, Emma, look at the side, you're breaking it.
No. You sure you have 40? Don't worry. I'm fast more.
Okay.
Where's the screw? Chop. Wait.
Now we give it a good scrub.
No. Now we need a special tool.
Okay. Which way?
No. Use your hand. No. Finish. With a finger.
Okay. It's stuck.
Something.
Okay. Okay, let's try to lift it up using that tool. Okay, let's see if we can lift it up.
Careful.
Is this good, do you think? Do you think this is
something dirty?
I think that's enough.
So we need to remove it. Total.
This needs a good clean.
Yeah, something dirty.
Okay, here. Back to clean. Choose it.
要拿个吸尘器，比较简单。
Maybe I got another idea. This will work.
Yeah, I haven't done. Yeah, just remove it and clean it. No, not clean it.
Okay. I think this still looks a lot cleaner.
Okay, last step. Look, it's dirty. So put it here. Put it here.
Yeah.
The last step. Remove the valve.
Is the water turned off?
Yeah.
Wow, look at
Kenny, look. Okay. Take it off.
Kenny，我们怎么把水弄出来？怎么办？
Is this a problem?
对呀、一个 problem 怎么办？Any tools we can